Good morning, everybody. Just kind of a quick update of where we're at. The Humvee H1 is up for sale. We got a few things left to do to wrap up before the sale ends. We're still waiting on our steering wheel. I did finally get the stainless steel top plate in. We got our logo in. That's actually going to sit out about a ½ inch, and there'll be a blue plate behind it. Right now it's just got some blue tape behind it so you can see it. Kind of get an idea what it looks like. Wiper motor, sounds like we're going to remove the switch and drop the switch into the console, and we are 3D printing a cover for the wiper motor. I got some guys working on that. We're going to try to cover that up. It's kind of ugly. We got our battery isolator in yesterday, so the batteries are charging. The 24-volt batteries are charging, not just a 12-volt system. That's pretty much where we're at. We're just about done. Amps are wired up, and we're just cleaning the truck up and getting it ready. Thanks, guys.